What is happening, y'all? We are outside in the rain, about to knock out these 100 push-ups and then run back to the gym. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 25, 27, 29, 30, 31, 33. Whew. Oh man, it's coming down. 34, 36, 37, 38, 40. This sucks. Whew. 41, 42, 44, 45, 46. If you need a motivation, you need to come outside and get your workout in the rain. Makes you want to get the hell out of here. 46, 47, 40, 50. Come on. I'm going to push. I need to get out of here. 51, 52, 53, 54, 5. Whew. Push-ups in the rain. Let's get it. 56, 58, 59, 60. Come on. 60. Let's go. Oh man, my camera's getting rained on. 62, 64, 65, 66, 7, 67. Come on. 68, 69, 70. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like a kid again. Definitely feeling like a kid again. Come on. 71, 70, 73, 70, 75. Ooh, come on. Come on. No rain, no gain. 76, 78, 70, 80. 20 more. 81, 82, 83, 84, 5. Come on. 85. Whew, come on. Can you stand the rain? 86, 80, 89, 90. Come on. 10 more. 10 more. Whew. 91, 92, 3, 94, 95. 5 more. Let's go. 96, 97, 99. 100. Whew. 100 push-ups in the rain. It felt great, but I'm out of here. Time to get back to the gym and get some dry workout in. All right, I got my wet warm-up. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Have a great Sunday.